Here is how to quickly hide your following list or your followers list on Instagram. Now, the first thing you want to do is open the Instagram app. Now, once you've opened the Instagram app, it should look like this. Now, click your profile picture below. Once you've clicked your profile picture, you want to click these three lines at the top. Once you've clicked the three lines, you click Settings and Privacy. Now, once you click Settings and Privacy, you want to scroll down over here and come to this section which is called for Professionals and click Account Type and Tools. Now, once you click Account Type and Tools, make sure that you're using a personal account, not professional. If not, switch back to personal account and then go back. You want to scroll up again and now click on Account Privacy. Once you click Account Privacy, you want to set it to private account. And once you set your account to private, you want to go back. And once you've gone back, you can see no one is going to view your followers list or your following list. Now, to make sure this is true, now I have actually switched back to my other account to check if this is true. So now check the account. To check the account, now you can see we can't view the followers list because the account is private. You can't also view the following list because it's private. So that's it. Please subscribe if this helps you.